Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. I recently did a video, 11 wigs I haven't tried, and this was one of them, Belle Tress Spice Girl in Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. And I could not believe that I hadn't tried it before. This is right up my alley. So today I'm going to compare this style to some other styles that are similar and tell you the differences. And I'm also going to show you this wig in 4 different colors. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm not going to do a full review of this wig. I will put a link to that other video here so you can go check it out. What I'm going to do today is just show it to you and show you some sister styles, I would say. So first things first, this is Belle Tress Spice Girl in Brown Sugar Sweet Cream, and let me spin for you. Okay, if you've been with me for a while, you know that this wig is right up my alley. A nice little bob stacked in the back. I love that look. Easy, throw on and go. And this one happens to be very low density. No permatease, just a really great classic style. All right, so today I'm going to compare this to Ignite by Jon Renau, Easy Does It by Raquel Welch, and Opulence by Eva Gabor. So before I compare this wig to those other wigs, I just want to show you the features of this wig so that we'll have a basis for comparison. Spice Girl has a lace front, a mono part, no permatease, she's low density, and you can see stacked in the back, and just a really nice sleek style. All right, let's take a look at Ignite. Okay, this is Jon Renau's Ignite in Shaded Mocha. She has a lace front also that goes back deeper. You can see it right there in the part, but then there's no monofilament part. She also has some permatease, adding some volume to it, and you can really get a lot of volume out of this lady. So you girls who like volume might like this one better. You can see that there. I'm going to spin and show you her style. Stacked back. Another great style. And I usually don't puff her up that much, but I do get more volume out of this one. So just depends on the look you're going for. All right, let's try Raquel Welch's Easy Does It. Okay, so this is Raquel Welch's Easy Does It in Shaded Biscuit. Now I should mention that Spice Girl by Belle Tress I consider low density. Ignite by Jon Renau I would say is medium density. Easy Does It I would say is on the more dense side of medium density. So far this I would say has the highest density of the 3. She has the front lace, and you can see it is lighter along the lace line there in this color. And she has a mono part. This one also has permatease, so you can really zhuzh her up as well. You guys will have to let me know which one you like best on me. All right, I'm going to spin. I think, I like them all, and depending on the outfit I'm wearing and the style I'm going for, I'll switch them up. These are all from my closet. All right, and Spice Girl's the newest addition to my closet. After I reviewed her, I thought, gotta keep this girl. All right, let me spin for you. Really pretty style also. All right, on to the last one, Opulence by Eva Gabor. Okay, this is Opulence by Eva Gabor in Shaded Honey Pecan. And right off the bat, I'm going to say she's a little bit longer in the front here. And density-wise, I would say she's medium density. She has a front lace line there and a mono part. And I do find the part to be a little bit dense. I haven't plucked her, but I would say it looks a little bit dense in there, so she could use some plucking. As far as permatease goes, she does have some also. Let's try to fluff her up a little. Yeah, you could definitely get some more volume out of her also. All right, let me spin and show you this style. I have no idea what I did to the back of it when I fluff it up like that. It could look a mess and I have no idea. Hopefully you get a good idea. So yeah, I would say this one is definitely the longest of the four. Let me know what you think about which style you like best for you and which one you like best for me. Okay, now I'm going to just show you a few different colors that Spice Girl comes in. So as I said, I decided to keep this one. This is in the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream, which is described as, just imagine the color created by mixing dark, medium, and light brown sugar and lightly whipped sweet cream with a hint of buttermilk. Are you guys getting hungry? I am. They work wonders to provide depth, dimension, and contrast for a head-turning look. So let me just show you the colors here. I would like to show them to you outside today, but it's very overcast. So if I can, I will shoot them outside tomorrow before I put up this video, just so you can see them all. Okay, so this is Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. As I said, I decided to keep her. The others, I'm not going to comb through. The tags are still on them, but I want to show you the colors. Okay, this is in the color British Milktea, which is described as British Milktea from Belle Tress features medium to darker root color and the mixture of 8 different tones of browns and blondes to create the perfect milk tea color. This color is extremely versatile, spanning across ombre styles, mixing warm and cool tones from root to tip and more subtle all over hues. And some people say this even has a lavender, hint of lavender in it. So this is a very unique color and it's beautiful. I'm going to spin for you and show you the whole wig. And when I leave the tag on and show these, it's because we're going to sell them in the open box section. So these last 3 wigs will be in the open box section. There's only one of each. So if you think you really love the color, head on over to frannieshair.com and see if you can get it. So that's British Milktea. Okay, so the first 2 colors I would consider cooler toned wigs. This one's definitely warm. This is Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut, and I wore this color in the wig Bellissima to my daughter's wedding. It's a really warm-toned, beautiful color. Okay, Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut is a rich, dark chocolate root with a blend of golden blonde, honey blonde, natural medium blonde, and pure blonde highlights. So hopefully you can see that there. Let me spin for you. Really pretty, right? All right, let's go to the last one. Okay, for all my brunette ladies out there, this is English Toffee, another warm color. It has some reds in it, and it's described as a blend of medium chocolate and Tuscany rich brown with light auburn highlights. So hopefully you can see that there. The one thing I do want to point out with this one is that I find that along the hairline, the knotting is noticeable, the dark knots, so you'd have to use some face powder or concealer, whatever you use, to try to conceal some of those knots. Okay, let me spin for you. Also another beautiful color. All right, so there you have it. Spice Girl in 4 different colors. I'm also going to put them on mannequins and take a picture of all of them outside so that you can see them in daylight as well. Okay, here we are in outdoor lighting. You have your brown sugar sweet cream, and it's an overcast day, so you're getting a really good idea of the color here. And here we have the British Milktea. I love this color. It's so unique. And here we have the sugar cookie with hazelnut. The warmth really shows up there. And finally, we have English Toffee. I'll just go around the back here. English Toffee, sugar cookie with hazelnut, British, sorry, it's my umbrella, British Milktea, and brown sugar sweet cream. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the comparison of this Spice Girl to other sister styles as well as to other colors in this same style. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.